Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School, home of the Roadrunners in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. This is the school I've been to the most times over my career in the state of California, and just always an amazing day when I get to come and visit the students and staff and share my heart with the community. Today's message, we did some fun icebreaker games, some team building activities, and they kind of tied into my youth ministry days and some of the things that we did with my youth group, or like minute to win it type of games. But students had a blast, I had a blast. They gave it their all. Everyone was cheering each other on, and it was just really cool, you know, that they had fun, but we're also learning in the process, because all these different games that we did do had some underlying messages and life lessons. And speaking of the iceberg and icebreakers, we know on average most icebergs are 10% above water, 90% below. And the goal is for us as humans, because I compare ourselves to icebergs, that we don't just show what's on the surface level, that 10%, but we try to lower our water lines figuratively to be able to show 100% of who we are. You know, and there's that freedom in getting to be yourself, right? To be in all 100% who you are each and every day. So many times, you know, we're afraid to show the real us. We're afraid to get judged. We're afraid we're gonna be teased, if people are gonna make fun of us, talk behind our back, and that can still happen, of course, but your true friends are still gonna see you for who you are, right? And so I was talking about authenticity today, you know, being genuine, you know, being your real, being the real you, and knowing your worth, knowing your value, right? So we always bring up this concept in all of my assemblies, the lines in our hand, we all have. I traced mine here. And something I talk about in all my programs, with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M, at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects. That the M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, once we believe that ourselves, right, now we can go be someone else's champion and be the light to their heart. And, you know, it's so important that we are real, that we are 100% alive and doing what we love, and, you know, trying to help this planet, because the more that we are able to do that, we're not so worried about how we're acting or what people are thinking about us, or if I want to dance right now, I'm going to dance right now. You know, just being able to be who you want to be. And once you have that type of relief, like the stress that goes away, and, you know, not caring about what other people think about you, it's this just amazing feeling that now all of a sudden I can be more focused on the people around me, and not what I'm doing, but seeing if someone else is in need, right? To be their helping hand, and to open my heart to others around me that might need support, right? And so that was the underlying focus for today, through the activities that involve toilet paper and pantyhose and tennis balls, water bottles, cotton balls, Oreo cookies. That yes, there's so many times that there's a lot coming at us. A lot of people telling us we're supposed to act a certain way or be a certain way, whether it's social media or devices, the peer pressure around us. But if we can really stay true to who we are, focus on what really matters, then that's what today's assembly was really, truly all about. But thanks for touching my heart. This is my final visit for this school year. Can't wait to come back again in 2025, 2026. Until then, though, have a great rest of May, great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.